Hi everyone, thanks for joining us for the Ag Report. This week, producers along with state and federal agency and congressional staff took part in the Billings Chamber of Commerce's flood tour looking at the damage to farms and ranches in Carbon and Stillwater Counties. Taylor Brown spoke with Maureen Wicks, the recently appointed Farm Service Agency State Director for Montana. Maureen said the tour was eye-opening and that FSA has programs to help affected producers.
This was a great opportunity to come to Stillwater and Carbon counties and see what happened to the producers and their homes, their crops. We encourage everyone, if you have suffered crop losses, get into your county offices. There are several different programs available. Get signed up.
Well, it's been a difficult summer for the sheep industry as lamb and ewe values have plummeted, with drought conditions forcing producers to place more lambs on feed earlier. Monthly on-feed inventories have been 30 to 70,000 head above last year, while lamb slaughter is averaging 2% below year-ago levels. Feeder lamb prices did start the year at historic highs, but have since fallen lower, now down 40 to 50% from last year. The Livestock Marketing Information Center says ample supplies of lambs on feed are expected to pressure feeder lamb prices for the second half of the year, with a forecasted decrease of 12 to 25%. Welcome back to this morning's Ag Report. Coming up tomorrow in Bozeman, the Montana wool growers are hosting the Montana Lamb Jam at the Gallatin County Fairgrounds. Dave Scott is one of the organizers of the Lamb Jam and says that the purpose is to bring producers, chefs, and consumers together to enjoy Montana-raised lamb.
We have 4 chefs preparing lamb that has been raised and born in Montana. We've got 4 producers providing the lamb, getting chefs and producers and consumers, diners together, and they get to vote on which dish they like the most.
That's this Saturday from noon to 5 in Bozeman. Get your tickets at mtsheep.org. Well, a fairly quiet day in the cattle futures, but cash trade has finally moved higher, up $1 to $3, with live sales 138 to 142, dress 225 to 232. Feeder cattle prices in this week's Superior Livestock video sale held steady with last month. Non-program 5 to 5.5 weight steers sold 221 to 228. Upper 5 weights 209 to 217. 8 weight yearlings 185 to 193, and 9 weights 174 to 184. Finished lambs in Sioux Falls fell lower again from 96 to 111. Ewes stronger though from 85 to 110. And China buying U.S. soybeans returned some spillover optimism to the market, and the wheat made a big push higher, gaining 19 to 24 cents. Nearby spring wheat at $8.94, winter wheat at $8.60.